Red fox, vulpes, the most widespread and recognizable species, with reddish fur and a bushy tail. One of their most distinguishing features is their long, bushy tail, tipped with white, which they use for balance, communication, and as a warm cover during cold weather. Red foxes are omnivores, with a highly varied diet that includes small rodents, rabbits, birds, fruits, and berries. Their excellent hearing allows them to locate small animals moving underground, and they perform a characteristic high pounce called a mousing leap to catch them. Arctic fox, Vulpes lagopus, adapted to cold climates with thick white fur that turns brown in summer. This small fox is a true master of survival, inhabiting the frigid Arctic tundra regions of the Northern Hemisphere. Its most remarkable adaptation is its dense, multi-layered fur, which provides the best insulation of any mammal. In winter, its coat is a brilliant white, offering perfect camouflage against the snow and ice. As the seasons change, it sheds this coat for a brown or grey one that helps it blend in with the summer tundra landscape. Their feet are also covered in fur, acting like snowshoes to distribute their weight and provide insulation. Arctic foxes have a keen sense of smell and hearing, which helps them locate prey, such as lemmings and voles, moving deep beneath the snow. They will often follow polar bears to scavenge on the leftovers from their kills, demonstrating their opportunistic nature in a harsh environment. Fennec fox, Vulpes zerda, small desert fox with huge ears that help release heat. Native to the Sahara Desert and other parts of North Africa, the Fennec fox is the smallest canid species in the world. Its most striking feature is its enormous bat-like ears, which can be up to 6 inches long. These ears are not just for show. They are a vital adaptation for dissipating body heat in the scorching desert climate. They also grant the Fennec fox exceptionally sensitive hearing, allowing it to detect prey such as insects, rodents, and lizards moving under the sand. Their thick, creamy-colored fur helps to reflect sunlight during the day and provides warmth during cold desert nights. Fennec foxes are nocturnal, spending the hottest parts of the day in cool underground burrows. They are social animals living in small communities of up to 10 individuals. Grey fox, Urocyon cinereoargenteus, known for its grey coat and ability to climb trees. Unlike other foxes, it has strong hooked claws that allow it to scramble up trees with remarkable agility, a skill it uses to escape predators or to forage for fruits and birds' eggs. This has earned it the nickname tree fox. It is one of only 2 canid species known to regularly climb trees. The other is the Asian raccoon dog. The grey fox has a grizzled grey coat with patches of reddish-brown on its neck, sides and legs, and a distinctive black stripe running down the length of its bushy tail. They are more omnivorous than many other fox species, with a diet that heavily includes fruits and invertebrates in addition to small mammals. Kit fox, Vulpes macrotis, a small fox of North America's deserts with large ears and a slender body. This delicate-looking fox inhabits the arid regions of the southwestern United States and northern Mexico. Similar to the Fennec fox, it has large ears that help to regulate its body temperature in the desert heat. Its body is slender, and it has a long, bushy tail tipped in black. The kit fox's coat is typically a buffy or yellowish-grey color, providing excellent camouflage in its sandy scrubland habitat. They are primarily nocturnal, which helps them avoid the extreme daytime temperatures of their environment. Kit foxes are incredibly fast and agile runners, capable of reaching high speeds to chase down prey or evade predators like coyotes and eagles. Their diet consists mainly of small animals, particularly kangaroo rats, but also includes rabbits, insects, and reptiles. They are known to form monogamous pairs that may stay together for life. Bengal fox, Vulpes bengalensis, found in the Indian subcontinent, with a pale coat and bushy tail tipped with black. Also known as the Indian fox, This species is widespread in the grasslands, scrublands, and agricultural fields from the foothills of the Himalayas to the southern tip of India. It is a relatively small fox with a slender body, an elongated muzzle, and large, pointed ears. Its coat color ranges from sandy orange to reddish-brown, providing camouflage in its dry, open habitats. A key identifying feature is its long, bushy tail, which is almost as long as its body and always has a distinct black tip. Bengal foxes are typically crepuscular, being most active at dawn and dusk. They live in underground dens that they excavate themselves, which often have multiple entrances. Their diet is diverse and includes rodents, reptiles, crabs, termites, insects, and fruits. They form long-term monogamous bonds and are known for their playful nature. Corsac Fox, Vulpes corsac, inhabits Central Asian steppes, has thick pale fur for cold winters. This medium-sized fox is perfectly suited to the open, arid landscapes of the steppes and semi-deserts of Central Asia. The Corsac fox has a broad head, small teeth, and long legs. Its fur is a grayish-yellow color with pale underparts, and it becomes incredibly thick and silky during the winter to protect against the extreme cold of its habitat. Unlike many other fox species, Corsac foxes do not build their own dens. Instead, they take over the burrows of other animals, such as marmots or badgers. They are nomadic hunters, migrating south when the snow becomes too deep for them to effectively hunt their primary prey of rodents and pikas. They are also known to be social, sometimes forming small packs in the winter and hunting in groups, a behavior that is unusual for foxes. Tibetan fox, Vulpes ferrilata, recognizable by its square face and sandy fur, native to the Tibetan Plateau. This unique species is endemic to the high-altitude plateaus of Tibet, Nepal, and parts of China and India. The Tibetan sand fox has a very distinct appearance, with a remarkably blocky, square-shaped head, a short muzzle, and a body set low to the ground. Its coat is soft and dense, with a rusty grey color on the back and pale undersides, providing camouflage against the rocky, barren terrain. Their diet consists almost exclusively of plateau pikas, a small, rabbit-like mammal. Tibetan foxes have developed a fascinating commensal relationship with brown bears. They are often seen hunting alongside the bears, catching pikas that the bears dig out of their burrows but fail to capture themselves. They are typically solitary or live in monogamous pairs, raising their young in dens. Blandford's fox, Vulpes carna, a small, agile fox found in rocky deserts of the Middle East and Central Asia. This is one of the smallest fox species, characterized by its slender body, long and exceptionally bushy tail, and broad ears. Its coat is a light tan or grayish-brown, speckled with black and white hairs, which allows it to blend in perfectly with the mountainous desert terrain it calls home. Blandford's fox has unique, cat-like features, including very sharp, curved claws and bare foot pads that provide excellent grip on steep, rocky surfaces. This makes it an incredibly agile climber. It is almost exclusively nocturnal and is highly omnivorous, with a diet that is unusually reliant on insects, fruits like grapes and melons, and other plant matter, supplemented with small vertebrates. They are solitary animals and are considered one of the more rarely seen fox species due to their nocturnal habits and remote habitat. Pale fox, Vulpes pallida, native to the Sahel region of Africa, has light sandy fur for camouflage. This species is found in the semi-arid sandy deserts of the Sahel belt, a region stretching across Africa just south of the Sahara. The pale fox is well adapted to its dry environment. It has a slender body, relatively long legs, and a long, bushy tail with a black tip. As its name suggests, its fur is a very pale, sandy color, which provides excellent camouflage in the desert landscape and helps reflect the sun's heat. Like other desert-dwelling foxes, it has large ears that help it dissipate heat and listen for prey. They are primarily nocturnal, spending the day in extensive burrows that they dig themselves, which can reach up to 15 meters in length and 2 meters deep. Pale foxes live in small family groups and have a varied diet consisting of rodents, lizards, insects, birds, eggs, and a significant amount of plant matter and berries.